You're supposed to know that some of them pick me up a bully.
I know that. But more Destiny learn how to use other methods to quash them thing there.
So what Patsy do?
First thing, she call picking them some name in front of Destiny and Destiny and repeat it.
Name like what?
Iron Donkey, Tough Turbid, Sardine and them something there. Me don't know what she do.
Iron Donkey? Tough Turbid? I wish you get them names from. No, stop.
Me tell her say she can't say them things that make little girl hear because she have to repeat it.
I don't mean for laughing and whisper, but it's funny.
And that's the problem. We take them things as joke and with them use it in a wrong environment and in a wrong context and then we look bad as parents.
Now that you put it away there, you have a point.
And at that Patsy now understand.
You talk to her about it?
More than one time.
As soon as she said to Destiny, make the fight start at school?
That's something she said. Makes you punch the girl.
I'm afraid for ask, but what she tell her?
She tell her say if the little girl put her foot in the way again and she tell her to move it 3 times and she not do it, she will step in her chest.
Boom, 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 boom. And that me would I tell her. Sorry, whisper, but I feel Patsy tell her the right thing, man.
That nearly makes you get suspension from school.
But not the little girl provoke her.
Yes, but she never put her hand on her.
Well, maybe the punch did look a bit too much.
Tony, I can't have a woman in my life where I can make my daughter behave like a variable.
You never said that to her?
Not really.
Oh, because you know Patsy sensitive. Next thing she feel like say I call her variable.
I kind of that she a priest still, you know.
That look a way whisper. She go feel say you know rate her as a stepmother.
Patsy know me rate her. And me respect what she do and appreciate all of what she do for Destiny. But my must can't tell her when she go wrong with certain things and she just listen.
It's a touchy situation, yeah, man. Especially like how she and the mother and a friend.
But that not nothing to do with it.
Well, maybe Patsy feel Fairway did right.
But my daughter...
Stop! Stop right. You hear what you say? I your daughter. That mean Patsy not have no say in this if it not please you.
I know that me mean.
But that is so like...
Yo, hear me say. I love Patsy, you know, but I love my daughter more. And if you can't say eye to eye, then it not gonna work.
You not go always say eye to eye.
Society have a way of stereotype the kids them when come from the inner city because they expect certain behavior from them. And I don't want that for Destiny. So she have to go learn how to reason out things and not compromise on that.
For real, bro. We have to change the way we approach raising the youth them. I agree with you.
If it's a ghetto picnic, she will do that too. Would have to pray for defend her right now from the parents. And that would have drawn me out. And would have maybe blow me cover.
You know what? I never did I think about that.
We have to always remember so we are agent in a team.
True.
One thing bossy always used to beat in a head is that we have to learn and try at all times to diffuse a situation.
Yeah, she tell me. Engaging must be the last thing we do.
Exactly.
Whisper. Please.
That great agency.
Wish I do.
Don't ask me.
Tonian? Agency? Good evening. Good evening. Come in.
Good evening, Chris.
Good evening.
Agency, make yourself comfortable.
Tonian, please call me Celine.
Yeah, I mean, Celine. Okay? You lost?
We just did ask the same question.
No, this visit should have really happened like a few weeks ago, but I was just busy with some stuff.
I don't understand.
I come for support a shop. Lad man, then I have to look so last,
Well, me last.
Me worse.
Alright. I'm clear up the mystery. But do you want to come see from what somewhere in the office?
Oh, the interrogation.
You know what? I'm gonna move. Because this sound like a female business, so I take consent, see?
Alright, just link me and let me know where you go with that person.
Yeah, man.
Bye, Chris.
Yeah, man. What's up?
I know you still wonder about the visit. I can't feel the curiosity.
I'm not gonna lie, this seems weird.
If I must be honest, I know we didn't start off on the right foot as co-workers. But the night of the interrogation, the way you showed emotional support for me, I developed a new level of respect for you.
I develop respect for you that night too, because that couldn't easy for deal with.
It wasn't. But I know the boss now gonna understand.
I realize.
And I know that because of me, you get suspension. So I did write Mr. Mullins a letter asking him to reconsider his position.